In this episode of Surviving the Elements, professional survival experts tackle the art of finding shelter in extreme conditions. When temperatures plummet, knowing how to build an effective snow cave can be a lifesaver. Experts demonstrate how to choose the right location, carve out a safe space, and insulate it to retain heat. Viewers will learn the importance of airflow for reducing carbon dioxide buildup while ensuring they're protected from the harsh winds outside. With hands-on demonstrations, viewers will gain insights on utilizing natural resources effectively. Mastering this technique could mean the difference between life and death in unforgiving environments.